Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. So in today's video I got my BoxyCharm, my July box. Got it a little late, but I still wanted to record it and show you what I got in case you were interested. So if you want to see everything I got and how I feel about it, keep on watching. Hi, so I'm excited because I thought I was gonna get my BoxyCharm late again. It's sort of late but not that late, so I got it in the mail today. I wasn't going to record anything today because it's already late and it's extremely hot here. The fan is on full blast and it's just throwing hot air that it seems like it's going to melt my face away. But I wanted to get this out for you in case you were interested. I've seen a lot of BoxyCharms videos of this month and I'm actually glad what I got. Because a lot of them were not so good. I was expecting more or less the same thing, but mine was different. Actually very different from the ones I've seen. Let's get started. Let me show you first the card. And the first thing is this gorgeous thing right here. Look at these sponges, 4 sponges. Isn't that adorable? They're latex free, super soft, and it's by the brand MTU? I'm not sure. Yeah, MTU NYC. And this is for $20. That is super cute. Some are different. They're different shapes. I've never tried a sponge like this before. I usually stick with these up here. So I'm eager to try them out. See, they're soft and bouncy. Second item in here is this Generation Skin. Gen Skin. That's the name of the brand. And this is a hydrating marine eye patches. Oh, it's eye patches. That's good. How much is that? Generation Skin hydrating marine eye patches. This is $49.99. How many does it bring? It's a straight from the sea skincare savior, dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around your eyes, it helps firm, soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else. Used for dewier, fresher looking peepers. The word dewy, we don't get along, but it's for under the eyes, so I think that's okay. I'm eager to try that anyway. I got this lip oil from this brand, which I'm gonna try right now because my lips are dry. This is by Basic Beauty. $18. A lip oil for $18. This better be amazing. That's all I have to say. It's clear. Packaging is beautiful, by the way. I like the packaging. And let's see. It doesn't have that much scent, so that's good. Soft. It doesn't feel sticky, so that's good. Let's see what else. Oh, I've seen a lot of people get this. This is from Beauty Bakery flower setting powder. This retails for $24 and I got it in oat translucent. I'm a sucker for packaging. Let me open it up. Ooh, oh, that's nice. And I have here Mascara eyeshadow palette, right? Yeah, eyeshadow palette. Retails for $50, this eyeshadow palette. I've never tried this brand before, so I'm super excited. Ooh. That is so pretty, that packaging. Look how it is. It's not straight, it's curved. And here. Oh, I love that. And the inside. Oh, okay. This is her. Quite neutral and very, I would say it's more like a daytime palette. Like an everyday type of palette. But it's not bad. I'm not mad at it. These two right here, very, very similar. And damn, these two are very similar. Look at these two. I gotta swatch them. Why would you put two extremely similar colors? Well, it's actually four because these two are identical almost, and these two. But I'm eager to try it out because I've never tried this brand before. So, oh, and let me do this for the people who love that. So that's everything. I'm gonna wet the sponge and I'll be right back. It plumped up. It feels soft. I already primed my face. I'm gonna use my trusty favorite foundation, which is the Infallible Foundation by L'Oreal. Oh, it feels really soft. And I'm gonna use the tip of it to put my concealer, using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I gotta say, it's really soft. It feels good on the skin. I have no complaints about that. It reminds me a lot of the Real Technique sponge. Now I'm gonna try the Beauty Bakery loose powder. This colorless formula puts the oily face battle to rest. That better be true. Because until now, nothing has ever beaten my oily skin. So I'm gonna put that to the test. Oh, it feels very natural. I like that so far. Ooh, I think I found a new favorite. Let's try the palette. So first shade I'm gonna grab is this one. Same brush, lower lash line. I'm going to deepen my outer corner with this one. I'm using a smaller brush. That one has a lot of kickback. Ooh, that one has a lot. You know, a lot of people will look at this palette and be like, they don't like it because it's very soft and natural looking. But I gotta say, on a day-to-day basis, I love wearing brown tones like this, very neutral. So I know I will get a lot of use of those two first shades, this being the second shade. I know I could use that every single day to go anywhere or just to work. I'm gonna use this the shimmers dry first, just to try them out dry. And I'm gonna go in with this one, put it next to the brown. I'm gonna wet the brush now to see if there's a difference. I'm gonna use this one in the inner corner. You have to really dig in there to try to get that color. It's a little stubborn, but it's there. Now I'm gonna use this one in the lower lash line. I'm going to use the lightest shade for the brow bone. I'm going to put some eyeliner, mascara, lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look. Final thoughts. Let's start with the lip oil. That's the first thing I tried. Basic Beauty. It felt good. It didn't feel sticky, which is always a plus. I hate lip glosses or lip oils that stay sticky on your lips. I hate that, but this is not like that. This feels like truly like an oil, like a lip oil, which I think I'm gonna like this. So far so good. Then I tried the powder, the Beauty Bakery Flour Setting Powder. This I really enjoyed. I like this. I think this is gonna become my new favorite setting powder for sure. So far, it doesn't look dry, it doesn't look cakey, it's just like your skin but better. I love that. It doesn't feel heavy or anything. It's so lightweight and very fine. It's a very fine powder, which is awesome. I think definitely this is gonna become one of my favorites. The sponges, I almost forgot. They're so cute. And I use this one, and I gotta say I like it. It's really good. It reminds me a lot of the Real Technique sponge, which I love. It's my favorite, so I know I'm gonna get a lot of use of these, so I'm happy about that too. The eye patches, I can't try it now, but I will keep you posted in the description down below to see if I liked it. Last but not least, the eyeshadow palette. They're pretty nice. I have no trouble with them. They blend super easily. They're not patchy at all. And I tried a lot of colors as much as I could. I'll tell you right now. Tried 7 colors in here. I had no problem with none of them. The only thing that I could say about this is just that the shimmers, I tried 3. This one, and this one. This one is pretty good. You get the color that you want, which is the one I have on my lower lash line. Right off the bat, you can see the pigment. This one's pretty good too. Not as intense as this one, maybe because of the color. But this one was kind of dry. I really had to work hard and dig in to get payoff from this one. So that's the only one that I actually say that it was a little lackluster. Just this one. Everything else was just fine. It's not bad. It's not bad. I kind of liked it. I'm gonna add up everything to tell you the total of the box, which again, the base box is $25 in the US, $30 here in Puerto Rico, and I'm gonna add up all the products to see how much it adds up to. So the total of all the products, it comes out to $162, which is not bad because I paid $30 for the box. That's pretty good. And actually, I have to say that I did enjoy a lot of these products. This alone, the sponge, the oil, and surprisingly, the eyeshadow palette, I really liked. Would I have purchased all of these products for $30? Yes. So it was a good box. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to get notified every time I upload. And if you liked the video, you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. Bye. Is it better to just put my hair up? Yes. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby. Chris Jericho.